There are many, many methods that you can use to quantumize your thinking. And one is to help you to get out of time, to get out of memory, to get out of your future as you have conceived in your mind, and then put you in the domain, the quantum domain. The quantum domain challenges rationality, challenges logic, challenges your conception of the future, because it's the domain of non-locality and uncertainty, which Einstein hated, but unfortunately has been disproved now. Everything is uncertain. That's what gives you a great encouragement and hope for your future, because you can change everything now. And how to get out of this rational and slow-moving mind and impossible cause and effect logic. All this have to be in one stroke. Just you have to make it to disappear so that you are in the quantum state. And I don't know where I can start, but I will give you the most powerful technique now, where you can use the quantumize this sound, Shreem Brzee. Close your eyes. Shreem Brzee is the sound of prosperity, unlimited wealth. It is the energy equivalent of unlimited wealth, beyond time, beyond space. One way of doing it, which is very easy for people to go on saying for 108 times, Shreem Brzee,